Headed for South Dakota. Me and Justin headed for the Black Hills. We're hoping to get on some Merriams. Just leaving Kansas about 3:10 in the morning. Got about a 10-hour drive. It ought to be a good one. Got a little bit of weather moving in, but I think we'll get on some birds. Got a little spot already picked out. We're going to do a little scouting when we get up there. See what's going on. We've never hunted there before, so it's kind of a learning experience, but I think we'll do all right. Little update. We're getting up here into northern Nebraska, and we got a little bit of snow falling, so looks like it's supposed to last through the night. It'll be a little bit of a challenge with this weather, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. See if these birds are making any noise this morning. Get in and see if we can find something and see what their travel routes are, or where they're going to. Try and get a game plan for tomorrow. See what these birds are doing. We'll catch up with you later.
Just keep talking to her.
Those two are coming down.
See him?
You see birds?
Yeah.
I don't see him yet.
Keep talking to that hand.
Can you see anything?
Yeah. They're coming.
I see him. Here they come.
Yeah. Easy, easy, easy.
I'd quit calling. Because they're hearing the sound here. I'm seeing it.
Yeah, I'm looking right at him.
Huh?
I'm looking right at him.
Can you see the cobblers?
Yeah.
There's at least two cobblers. Are they strutting?
There's one long-beard and one Jake.
Can you see them?
Easy.
Yeah, don't move. They're coming right at us.
Again, shoot again.
Get him again. There we go.
Nice.
Nice job. Hey, right there, buddy.
I held in that claw for so long.
My left leg is numb. You see my leg shaking? It was asleep.
Where's the other shredder? Let's get that bird.
You're a pretty fan, though, ain't he? Phew.
We got bird number 1 down in the pickup. Moving on to bird number 2. Checking a couple different areas. Finally got some decent weather today. Pretty bright, as you can see. We're going to move on to some different country. Starting to warm up a little bit. About 39 degrees. And birds should be out. Lots of sun. Should be out strutting. So we're going to see what we can come across and go from there. Stay tuned.
Just seen it up there. There's 2. They're on the other side of the road. You see them? 3. Huh? There's 3 of them. I see them right here. Hey, they're coming. Look, they're coming. He's gotta be more aggressive.
You got him.
The one that had the white tail kept moving. I couldn't get a beat on him when they came through here. He kept crowding up with the other ones. I was afraid I was going to kill 3 or 4 of them.
South Dakota is a done deal. We tagged out. We're heading back down the road. We were going to stop in Nebraska and do a hunt there, but we got some pretty bad weather moving in, so we elected to take our friends from Illinois back down to Kansas. We're going to try and get him a Kansas bird. So we're just heading down through Nebraska here, and should be home in the morning tomorrow, and get out and see if we can get ourselves some big old Kansas gobblers. Weather looks pretty good there, so guys been killing birds. We saw some posts over the weekend, so hopefully we can get on some birds tomorrow. All right, well, thanks for watching. Well, all right, well, all right, well,